أم يقولون افتراه قل فأتوا بعشر سور مثله مفتريات وادعوا من استطعتم من دون الله إن كنتم صادقين.
Or do they say, He invented it? Say, then bring 10 surahs like it that have been invented, and call upon for assistance whomever you can besides Allah, if you should be truthful.
فإن لم يستجيبوا لكم فاعلموا أنما أنزل بعلم الله وأن لا إله إلا هو فهل أنتم مسلمون.
And if they do not respond to you, then know that the Quran was revealed with the knowledge of Allah and that there is no deity except Him. Then would you not be Muslims?
من كان يريد الحياة الدنيا وزينتها نوفِ إليهم أعمالهم فيها وهم فيها لا يبخسون.
Whoever desires the life of this world and its adornments, we fully repay them for their deeds therein, and they therein will not be deprived.
أولئك الذين ليس لهم في الآخرة إلا النار وحبط ما صنعوا فيها وباطل ما كانوا يعملون.
Those are the ones for whom there is not in the hereafter but the fire, and lost is what they did therein, and worthless is what they used to do.
أفمن كان على بينة من ربه ويتلوه شاهد منه ومن قبله كتاب موسى إماما ورحمة أولئك يؤمنون به ومن يكفر به من الأحزاب فالنار موعده فلا تك في مرية منه إنه الحق من ربك ولكن أكثر الناس لا يؤمنون.
So is one who stands upon a clear evidence from his Lord like the aforementioned, and a witness from him follows it, and before it was the scripture of Moses to lead and as mercy. Those believers in the former revelations believe in it, but whoever disbelieves in it from the various factions, the fire is his promised destination. So be not in doubt about it. Indeed, it is the truth from your Lord, but most of the people do not believe.
ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أولئك يعرضون على ربهم ويقول الأشهاد هؤلاء الذين كذبوا على ربهم ألا لعنة الله على الظالمين.
And who is more unjust than he who invents a lie about Allah? Those will be presented before their Lord, and the witnesses will say, these are the ones who lied against their Lord. Unquestionably, the curse of Allah is upon the wrongdoers.
الذين يصدون عن سبيل الله ويبغونها عوجا وهم بالآخرة هم كافرون.
Who averted people from the way of Allah and sought to make it seem deviant while they, concerning the hereafter, were disbelievers.
أولئك لم يكونوا